What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to another Bitcoin and Ethereum update. Now guys, in this video I want to share with you a few things that it's important to remember when investing in such as Bitcoin and Ethereum or other cryptos that you may hold or have thoughts on. So make sure you watch through this whole video, because in my opinion this is a very important video for every Bitcoin hodler, especially for the hodlers. And this is why I want to do this video. Now, of course, we all know right now Bitcoin is slightly dumping again. And personally, I don't think the major dump is over yet. So I do think potentially we do have more room to the downside before we can call the dump over. Now, again, of course, nobody knows for certain, but this is what it looks like at this moment, which I'll show you guys in a few minutes, some charts. But in this video, there are a few things that I think it's important to remember and consider. Number one is people have to understand that this volatility day to day in Bitcoin or crypto markets is very common, especially for new people. I know there's a lot of new people out there that are only quite recent into cryptocurrencies because of all the hype. And for those new people, especially new people, should understand that this is not something unordinary. This is something very common. It's very, very common. I mean, I'm personally quite used to this. Of course, I prefer all the time the price going up, so my portfolios are going up. But to be realistic with you guys, I expect these kind of dumps every now and then. And I personally don't stress out or panic when these things happen. Although my personal portfolios could go down heavily in terms of USD value. And of course, nobody likes that. But it's quite normal. That's what you have to understand. It's quite normal. Now, this is important, guys, because I know most of you guys are hodlers, and to the people out there, new people that see other YouTubers, and this is not against anybody else, but I know many YouTubers promote leverage trading platforms and basically try and convince people to leverage trade. Now, guys, this is just my honest opinion, okay? I know it might seem very, very attractive when people show you out there making 200-300% gains in a day with their Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever crypto it is. But I'm going to be very realistic, guys, that personally I would never ever recommend anybody to leverage trade if you're not experienced. And especially for the new people out there, that they see those YouTubers doing those videos and it seems very good, you know. It looks like, wow, these people are making thousands in a day, you know. Why can't I do it? Let me follow them. Guys, my personal opinion is don't do that. Don't do that. I know it seems or looks all very good, but if you're not experienced and you don't really understand or know what you're doing, don't touch leverage exchange platforms like Bybit and all those exchange platforms, because 90% of people that use those platforms, I'm talking about 90% of the regular people that use those platforms, lose their money, lose their crypto. And it's just a shame, because although I understand YouTubers that promote these things, they do it as a living and they have to make money. But I just think that when people convince all the newbies to promote or to go through these all these leverage platforms, it's just a shame, because these exchanges are just there to take away your money. They are there to take away your crypto, your Bitcoin. And don't be fooled, guys. Don't be fooled. Please don't touch these exchanges if you're not experienced. This is just a warning. But anyways, this is just a warning for all the new people out there. Going back to the current situation with Bitcoin, we have to understand a few things. Number one is the fundamentals. The fundamentals of Bitcoin hasn't changed since last week, since 2 weeks ago, since a month ago, since a year ago. So if you are a long-term investor, a hodler, you shouldn't think about selling your Bitcoin. I mean, of course you should do whatever you think it is, but I'm just telling you from my perspective. If you think about selling your Bitcoin right now, you might regret it down the line. And yes, this is a rough, bumpy road, guys. Cryptocurrency is not something you like sweet doom and gloom every day. Of course, some days it's amazing when your crypto go up 20% in a day or whatever it is. But don't expect this to happen every single day. There will be days that there will be nice dumps, and just get used to it. I mean, if you can't take these kind of volatility, then personally, I don't think you should be invested into cryptocurrency, because this is the reality of cryptocurrency at this moment. Hopefully in the future, in years to come, volatility will be less, because obviously the more people buy Bitcoin and the more bigger players like MicroStrategy and big hedge funds, institutions buy Bitcoin, they don't buy it for day to day or to make a swing trade. So hopefully this will keep the volatility down compared to now. But guys, cryptocurrency is very volatile, and if you can't take this kind of pressure, this may not be for you. This may not be for you. This is definitely not for everybody. I'm not going to lie. This market is definitely not for everybody. It could be stressful at times, but you have to kind of understand and get used to this if you want to trade this market or hold or invest into this market. Now, another important news update that we recently had is MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor, purchased the extra over $1 billion of Bitcoins on the average price of $53,000 or $52,000. So what do I think about it? Now, personally, I think if this guy, right, this guy is a genius. He's not average Joe, right? This guy manages billions of dollars. If he sees the opportunity to buy Bitcoin right now at $52,000, or let's just say $50,000, right? Why would he do that if he thinks the price is too high? So if you think you are late to the party, think again. I mean, this is not advice. This is not financial advice at all. But I just want you guys to understand, if this guy is buying Bitcoins at $50,000, and not one, two, three, we're talking about thousands of Bitcoins, over $1 billion. At these levels, what makes you think you are late? Now, again, this is not someone that is buying it most likely for short term. He's probably buying it for years to come. And if you're thinking to buy Bitcoin for a week or two, then maybe this is not a good idea for you, because the price could be going down to 40,000. Who knows, right? But in the long run, we all know where Bitcoin is going. And this is my point, guys. If you are a long-term investor, don't be fooled. Don't panic from these day-to-day or week-to-week movements. Look at it at the big picture, because after all, long-term, put it this way. Let's say you're buying a property as an investment, right? You're buying a one-bedroom apartment for a long-term investment. You're not buying it for a month, 2 months, right? And that's the same way you should look at your investments with Bitcoin. Because after all, the real people, the people that come out nicely and make the nice profits are the ones that buy it for a long term. And then when they feel like they're in huge profits, they sell. That's the ones, these are the ones that make nice money. The ones that buy it for 1 week and then sell it when they make a little profit, they normally end up buying it back when the price goes up, because they're FOMOing, they're panicking that it's going to go higher, and they just jump in and out, in and out. Those people don't make money, I promise you that, guys. And for a fact, I used to do that when I started investing into crypto, and I've realized that that was a mistake I've learned. And this is just my experience, mistakes I've done from my past. And over time, I've figured out the best strategies, guys. But my point of this video really is that people that are holding Bitcoin, don't panic sell. I mean, of course, you should do what you think is right for you. I'm not here to tell you what you should do with your money, but just think about the long term. Think about the bigger picture. Don't look at these small movements day to day. And besides the point, many of us have been buying Bitcoin a long time ago. So, you know, if we bought by $5,000, $10,000, or even if you bought at $20,000, if the price drops 30%, it doesn't matter, guys. You're still in huge profit. You are still in, I mean, I know for myself, certain things I have, we're talking about a few 100% profit. So a 40% drop, a 30% drop isn't too bad after all, because we're still in a few 100% profit. I mean, I can't talk for everyone, but just to give you the perspective that people shouldn't freak out when there's a little, well, I wouldn't say little, but a 30% dump, because after all, when the price has been pumping a few 100%, you can't really cry over that. And these corrections are healthy. These dumps are needed in order to go to higher levels. I mean, just look at the history, and this is just every market in general. We can't just go shooting up and up and up. There needs to be those kind of dumps. And by coincidence, while we had this dump, we had the announcement of Michael Saylor buying more Bitcoins, And another rumor coming out from a Dubai businessman looking to buy like almost $4 billion worth of Bitcoin. I mean, just by coincidence, guys, if there's price dumps and these news come out, could be it's coordinated. It could be that these people who are buying these massive numbers of Bitcoin just want to buy it at lower prices. And what they do is, I mean, these are just rumors, guys. I'm not saying they do this, but we all know there is manipulation going on. And this could be something that I could think about, you know? If these people are buying billions of dollars of Bitcoin, and if they can get the price down by $5,000-$10,000, you're talking about them saving millions of dollars on this transaction. So this is definitely a possibility too. But ultimately, guys, this video, it's more of a talk, and let me quickly show you the charts. All right, guys, so this is the Bitcoin chart, and this is on a daily chart. Now you can see the daily here. Right now we are dumping a little bit. The price is $49,200, which is, in my opinion, very nice. People a week ago were dancing for $45,000 Bitcoin, and right now it's $49,000, and people are still worried and panicking. We have to remember, guys, that Bitcoin is around $50,000 at this minute. So yeah, these lines here are levels that if we fall, of course, we'll test again the previous low. And if we break this, we probably might go down to around the $41,000 level. So let's go to the 4-hourly, because this is what I wanted to show you. Now, this is the EMA ribbon. And as you can see on the 4-hourly EMA ribbon, we are having resistance breaking through this. So this means, first of all, let me explain what this EMA ribbon is, because I don't think I've ever clearly explained what this means. This EMA ribbon is basically an indicator telling us if we are on an uptrend or downtrend. Now, when we are above the EMA ribbon, so like you can see over here, it shows that we are on an uptrend. Now, of course, if we use the 4-hourly candles, it means that we are on a 4-hourly uptrend. Now, if we break it, this means we are on a 4-hourly downtrend, because we're using the 4-hourly candles here. Now, right now, you can see we do have resistance breaking above it. So we've tested it here a couple of times, as you can see. And right now we are dumping as we speak. Not massively, but yeah. So this is just something I wanted to point out. So in my opinion, if we can break above this 4-hourly EMA ribbon, it might be a good sign. And guys, this is just for the short term, guys. Remember, long term, we all know Bitcoin. This is short-term, day-to-day price movements, but ultimately what we can do is, if you look at the daily, and this is the daily EMA ribbon, we can go all the way down to around 30, let's say 40,000 US dollars, right? 39, just almost 40,000 US dollars. And we can still be on a daily uptrend. So remember this, guys. So this is just a little update video I wanted to do. I mean, I think I just had to explain a bit more kind of my experience and perspective, because I'm not really the type to just talk only about charts. I want to talk about just everything around. I think it's important to explain, especially for a lot of newer people into this space. So guys, let me know if you enjoy this video, and of course, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. And guys, if you want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum through one of the best spot exchanges with the lowest fees, check out Swissberg. The link is in my description. And if you sign up through my referral link, you're helping out my channel. Plus, you can get up to 100 euros of free Bitcoin just by signing up. So check it out if you haven't done so yet, because you can save a lot of money just on fees when you buy and sell your crypto. And thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye now.